Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny. Today we have a comparison video, but with the Cosmetic GM. Is this a GM? No, this is the PM. This is the Cosmetic Pouch PM and then the mini Pochette, and there's only one size of the mini Pochette. There's also another Pochette, that's the Pochette Accessoire, which is the bigger version of this bag. So if you guys want to check that out, I don't have it, but I'm sure there are reviews on it. This is my favorite little guy. I'll show you guys what each of them carry and how much they do carry. So first, we can start with the mini Pochette. Okay, so we'll start off with the mini Pochette. I'll leave up measurements here so you guys can check that out, but I have the Big Cats version, which has the animation on it. This is from a Christmas collection, and I know a lot of people don't like the Christmas collections, or they feel like they're a little too kiddish, but I love it because I have wild cats. Well, I have one, but I used to have another one. So yeah, if you guys are curious about that, I'll leave a video down below where I do talk more about the mini Pochette and why I got it. So yeah, this cat has a mini Pochette, this cat has the trunk, and then this one is carrying an Alma, which I think is so cute. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what is in here. And they both carry different amounts, so this one does carry less than that one because that is bigger. So I first have my Laneige sleeping mask, and this is just a super tiny sample that I got from Sephora, and I just refill it. And then I have a Buxom lip gloss. This one is in the shade Hot Toddy, and Ulta is actually going to be having a sale on those. I'll leave it in the comments or in the description down below. Then I have my Glossier Balm.com. I have a lip liner. This is by LA Girl. It's in the shade Cafe. And then I have two tampons in here. I have a hair tie, two hair ties in here because I always need them one way or another. I have eye drops in here. I have a Band-Aid. I have some Advil because you never know when you're going to get a headache. And then let's see what else. I have eyelid tape. This is just an eyelid tape that I use every day to give me a double eyelid. I have a King's ticket. This was when we were on the glass, so section 103, row 1. And then I have another lip liner. This is the Strip Down Lip Liner by MAC, a Chloe perfume. And then I also have another lip liner, which is in NYX Nude Truffle. So yeah, that's everything that was in my cosmetic bag, and mine was made on the 41st week of 2018. So yeah, that is what it looks like, and mine is made in France. Next, I'll show you guys what I have in here. I really, to be completely honest, I don't use this every day just because it fits quite strange in my bags. It kind of has a more wide and then tapered look to it, so it's just a little unusual. So I only carry this when I'm traveling now. I don't really carry it in my bag for an everyday use. The last time I probably brought this along with me wasn't even for my most recent trip. It was actually for, I don't know, a really long time ago. I just haven't reached for this at all, so I just wanted to mention that in case you guys are wondering. Mine is made in France, if you guys can see that, and I'll just go ahead and pull things out and show you what I have in here right now. So I have a pack of gum in here. I have a mirror. I have hand sanitizer, some toothpicks. I carry these because my boyfriend needs them. I have a expired coupon. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that to the side to throw it away. I have a compact. This is the Charlotte Tilbury one, and I am in the shade number 2. I have a hand cream in here. This one fits nicely. I have 2 pens because when you're traveling, you always need pens to fill out your forms. I have some cough drops. Oops, sorry. I have cough drops in here. And then I have my Victorine sticker, which I should put away, but I'll just go ahead and put that in here because I never even use that little pocket. So yeah, I just have a tampon in here, a bigger one, another hair tie, and some Dayquil medicine, and that is everything that was in here. And I actually like this because you can wipe it easily. With the mini Pochette, you can't really wipe them, and it's really hard to clean because they are like a fabric kind of lining. So you can see there I have a little black dot in there. I don't know how that got in there, but It's pretty much the only thing that is dirty in there. Oh, there's another little gray mark right there. But I don't really mind. I love how the red looks on the inside, and if I want to wear it on my waist, I carry it around this way so the animation is not really showing, and you know, it gives me a little bit of something different. But I do love this one. I did have the original mini pochette, but I actually sold it, and it sold so fast. It was brand new. I never used it, and it sold really quickly, and I already knew that it would, so I didn't have a problem with that. And I just decided that I didn't want it because I feel like I only need one mini pochette. I mean, I would probably like to get the Dami Bean print, but this one is just so sentimental to me that I felt like I just couldn't switch out of it. But anyway, this actually fits in here if you guys are wondering. And it's kind of dumb to wear one inside the other, but it does fit in here. Another thing that I do want to mention is that when... Are you snoring, Looney? Looney? My cat is snoring. So one thing that I do want to mention, if you stuff this too much, just like the Alma BB, this will get distorted, and I really don't want that to happen just because it will lose the value of like what the item is actually worth. And I feel like this item actually doesn't even really have a good resale value. I would have to sell it for way less if I were to sell it, which kind of sucks, but that's the reason why I don't really want to sell it, is because people will always expect you to charge way less than what retail is, and it's kind of annoying. But I do really like this bag, but I just haven't really used it. And it's like the Alma BB, yeah, I did use it, but I feel like people thought that I should have marked it way less. But I mean, it still looks brand new, and that's the reason why, like, I don't even understand. Like, I would purchase it for $1,200 had I not already gotten it brand new. I would purchase it for $1,200 because then I would, like, you know, not have to pay tax and all that stuff. But anyway, this is just what it looks like on the inside. It has a little slip pouch here. The mini pochette does not have any pouches extra in there. So here you can probably carry like bobby pins or your hair ties or I don't know, this little knickknack stuff. So yeah, those are what these two bags carry. I'll go ahead and just fill up my mini pochette once again, just so you guys can see what how I pack it and what I'm gonna put in it. So this would be for my everyday bag. I have to have my Chloe perfume. I also would like to have my lip liners with me. I have to have my lip gloss in there, my tampons. I'm gonna put one on that side and then one over to the other side. So that's what it's looking like. I always have to have my headache medicine with me, Advil, just some good old Advil. Then I have another lip liner here. I'll just go ahead and put that in there. Some lip balm, eye drops because I do wear contacts so they can get really dry. And then let's do my hair ties, Band-Aid and that. And I don't really need an extra lip balm, so let's say I didn't want to carry that. I would have no problem carrying all of my essentials in here, and it fits perfectly. And then let's go ahead and try and put all of this as well as what was in the bag in the cosmetic pouch in here. So let's go ahead and empty this out. And I do like this one because it is just wipeable. So yeah, I don't really like selling items just because I feel like I don't really want to lose any money, and I'd rather just keep it if people are going to try to lowball me. So that's the reason why. And on both of my sales, like my mini pochette and my the mini pochette and then the Pochette Matisse, I actually lost money with those sales just because shipping, I didn't really charge for shipping. So I did, but I sold it for a set amount and shipping was actually more, so I lost money on both of those sales. So people always think I'm trying to like make a profit and stuff, and honestly it's not even like that. So it's just really annoying sometimes. But I'll go ahead and put that in there. Headache medicine, eye drops, the pens that were in here already, another tampon, hand cream. Let's put this right there. Oh, this is going to distort it for sure. So let me try and just put these in the middle, in like the center, so it's not too, yeah, we're already having a problem here. So let's take out one pen. I guess you don't need the mirror because it already has a mirror on it. I have to have my cough drops in here, and then a hand sanitizer, and my gum, and then let's try and fit this just like so. This is not all gonna fit. And I mean, the extras that I threw in here, those are just like extra things that don't even really need to be in here, but I just wanted to see if they would fit. So look at that distortion. This is how this cosmetic bag gets really messed up. You usually see it on the pre-loved market, like really dingy and just not in great condition because people tend to overstuff it, I feel. So I'm just gonna take out everything. So I packed my mini pochette, and this is exactly how I would have it. Everything that's in here, it's just extra. I really don't need it for an everyday basis. But yeah, that is my mini pochette packed, and I really love this guy. I highly recommend it. Even if your phone can't fit in it and you guys feel like, you know, you don't want to wear it for that reason, either just wear a pair of jeans with it so you can put your phone in your back pocket, or just carry it in your hands, because most people have their phones in their hands anyway because they're always taking pictures and using it, and I just really love this little piece. So I'm really happy that I got to sell it to one of you guys. I'm still on the lookout for either or, this print or the other print, and I will definitely get back to you guys and let you know if I do end up having one for sale. So yeah, I love this piece so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And yeah, that is the difference between the Cosmetic Case PM and the mini pochette. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below here if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!